Chirpy, Chimpu and Bunny are playing hide and seek. Chimpu is hiding and Chirpy and Bunny are looking for him.
Hello there. Do you know where Chimpu is hiding?
Hey, we are looking for Chimpu. Come help us to seek him.
Chimpu is hiding somewhere and Chirpy and Bunny are looking for him. But Chimpu is nowhere to be found.
Bunny, look. I have spotted something.
Chirpy, these are 2 banana peels.
Yes, 1 banana peel and 2 banana peels. Chimpu must have eaten the bananas and left them on the ground. He must be here somewhere.
Let us find him, Chirpy. Come on. Oh, Chimpu, where are you?
Look, children, they have again found banana peels.
Bunny, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 banana peels.
Yes, Chirpy, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 banana peels. I am sure Chimpu is somewhere here.
Chimpu, come out now. Where are you?
Chirpy, peanut shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 peanut shells.
Yes, Bunny. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 peanut shells on the ground. I am sure Chimpu must have littered the ground with these shells.
Yes, Chirpy, it has to be Chimpu.
Let us count the peanut shells again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
'Children, look! It's our friend Chimpu.
We found you, Chimpu. We found you.
Chirpy and Bunny. Chimpu, Chirpy and Bunny are at Bunny's house. They are going to make a yummy fruit salad today. Do you want to see how they make it?
We need fruits to make fruit salad. Friends, how many fruits do we need?
We need 8 bananas because I love them.
They have bought 8 bananas for the fruit salad.
1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas, 5 bananas, 6 bananas, 7 bananas and 8 bananas.
Chimpu has added 8 bananas to the fruit salad. Let us count them once again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now, Chimpu, Chirpy and Bunny are thinking which fruit to add in the fruit salad.
Let us add 9 apricots to the fruit salad. 1 apricot, 2 apricots, 3 apricots, 4 apricots, 5 apricots, 6 apricots, 7 apricots, 8 apricots, and 9 apricots.
Chirpy has added 9 apricots to the fruit salad. Let us count them once again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Bunny, do you want to add any fruit in the fruit salad?
Oh yes, Chirpy. I want to add 10 grapes to the fruit salad.
10 grapes! Yummy! This fruit salad is going to be very tasty.
Now let us add 10 grapes to the fruit salad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Chirpy, please help me to count the grapes.
Oh, Bunny, yes, I will help you to count 10 grapes. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 grapes.
Bunny has added 10 grapes to the fruit salad. Let us count them once again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Chimpu, Chirpy and Bunny have made the fruit salad and are very happy. They will soon enjoy this yummy, sweet and crunchy treat. So, let us meet them later. Bye, Chimpu. Bye, Chirpy. Bye, Bunny.